welcome back YouTube. It's been a little while since my last video, about a year I think actually. Well, life gets in the way. Anyway, so today's project, I need to build a welding trolley. Flip the camera around. Yeah. You can see the welder, compressor and the plasma cutter behind there is taking up quite a lot of space. I've only got a tiny little workshop and storage is of a premium. Now, I did start to build this as a welding trolley. Don't like how it turned out. It's all a bit warped from side to side. Now, I could spend some time fixing that. Can't really see it on the camera. But to be honest, I'm not happy with the build, so I'm just going to rebuild. Now, I do already have this little kind of shelf frame. This was for the smoker that I was building. I've had to abandon that project because I put some heat through it, warped the metal underneath. Obviously the metal wasn't thick enough. That'll be a project next year, no doubt. So this for the cooking rack. So I'm just going to utilize this. This will be for the bottom. This will hold the air compressor. Now with this one, you can see I used one long leg or four long legs and kind of try to build it all at once. I'm not going to do that this time. Like I said, I'm not a professional, I'm definitely a hobbyist. So I've already got this frame and utilize that, and then I'm going to build up off of it stage by stage. You never know, this might be big enough to hold two of the appliances, so then I won't need 3 tiers, but we'll see how it goes. after say a long day, the welding trolley is pretty much complete. Let's take you for a walk around. There are definitely some tweaks I need to do. Okay, can we zoom out on this thing? There you go. Okay, one of the issues we have is this welder. I'm not saying it's a bad welder, you know, it's decent for me. The fact is it's got a MIG and it's got stick. So that's two big cables effectively coming from it. Initially I wanted the plasma up here with the welder, but it makes a bit more sense for it to be down here. I've got the air compressor here. Like I said, it's only a small tank. But actually I found today that it's handling the plasma without the need of the auxiliary tank. So it might actually stay this way without the auxiliary tank. And if I do need one, then I can pop it in the workshop somewhere. These little plastic wheels that are off an old office chair, they kind of melted as I welded them on, so they're going to need to be replaced for metal casters. We do have, you can, this was for cable management, but you can pull the trolley around with this. Again, these wheels actually came off of this compressor, and it's not finished painted yet. I've actually run out of paint, so what I'm actually thinking is these. I don't like these cables here. I'll probably just build a little tab there and wrap them this way. Well, actually just up here to get out of the way of this. We've got air compressor airline there, which I use quite frequently. I might just build up just a little tab off of here and hook it on here. I do want to fix this in. Not entirely sure where yet, that's why I haven't done it. Got the two grinders, well, three. So I'm trying to think of the best place to put those. I don't really want to come out any wider because, well, it's a small workshop. May build just little grinders there and then move this out the way. Then I can still move the trolley. So there is the welding cart. And now I do have the much needed space I was looking for. So I can actually tidy up. Okay, well, thanks for watching. It's been AIDS DIY builds. Like I said, I'm only a hobbyist, I'm not a professional. So if you've got any tips, then please let me know. But yeah, just give it a go, see what happens.